Where should you place a transducer on different hull materials? Imagine you're out on the water, eager to get the best depth readings and fish signals, but your sonar isn't performing as well as you'd like. The secret often lies in where you place your transducer. The location depends a lot on what your boat's hull is made of. Different materials transmit sonar signals in different ways, so placement is key. Let's walk through the most common hull types and how to position your transducer for top results. If your boat has a fiberglass hull, especially if it's solid fiberglass up to about 2 inches thick, you can mount the transducer inside the hull. This is called in-hull mounting. Just glue it to a flat, smooth area on the interior surface, ideally near the stern or forward, depending on your boat. Make sure the spot is free of core materials like foam or balsa wood because they block sonar signals. Keep the transducer flat against the hull and avoid areas with fittings, turbulence, or bubbles. The hull should be less than about 16 millimeters thick for in-hull mounting to work well. For aluminum hulls, which are usually less than 1/8 of an inch thick, in-hull mounting is less effective because metal absorbs sonar signals. Instead, use a transom mount or a through-hull transducer designed for metal boats. When installing a through-hull transducer, use isolation sleeves and marine sealant to prevent corrosion and keep it watertight. Place the transducer on a smooth, flat part of the hull, away from fittings or areas that contact the trailer or supports. Position it so it stays submerged at all speeds. If your boat has a cored fiberglass hull with foam or balsa inside, avoid in-hull mounting altogether. The core material blocks sonar signals, so a through-hull or transom mount is best. Find a smooth, flat spot on the hull, away from fittings and turbulence. When using a transom mount, position it about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch above the bottom of the hull. Keep it clear of strakes or prop wash that could interfere with signals. Wood hulls are less common but still used. In-hull mounting isn't recommended because wood absorbs and scatters sonar signals. Instead, opt for a transom or through-hull mount. Make sure to seal the transducer properly and protect it from corrosion, especially if you're in salt water. No matter what hull material you have, avoid mounting near water intakes, discharge openings, or fittings that cause turbulence or bubbles. Keep the transducer away from trailer supports or areas where it could be damaged during launching or hauling. For transom mounts, ensure the transducer stays submerged at all speeds. Use marine-grade sealants and isolation pads to protect metal parts and keep everything watertight. Sometimes, using a mounting plate or stern pad can help avoid drilling directly into the hull, making future maintenance easier. By following these tips, you can place your transducer in the best spot for your boat's hull material. Proper placement means clearer depth readings and better fish signals, making your time on the water more enjoyable.